The next lesson that we are going to start with is permutation and combinations. Before we go for the definitions of permutation and combination, let us revise some basic concept. Let us go through some basic concept. And the first concept is factorial notation. Factorial notation is given by an exclamation mark. It is called as factorial notation. N factorial means product of first n natural numbers. So if I say 7 factorial, it is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7. I can also write it as 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. And this is nothing but 6 factorial. So 7 factorial is 7 into 6 factorial. It can be 7 into 6 into 5 factorial. And it can go on. So in short, n factorial is n into n minus 1 factorial. उसके पहले के सारे consecutive numbers की multiplication. This was our factorial notation. We should know that 0 factorial is 1. And 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2 into 1, that is 2. 3 factorial, 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6. 4 factorial, 24. 5 factorial, 120. 6 factorial, 720. 7 factorial, 5040. 8 factorial, 40,320, sorry. 9 factorial, 362,880. 10 factorial, 362,8800. इसके आगे के फैक्टोरियल्स को लर्न करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन यहां तक आप लर्न करो, कम से कम 8 फैक्टोरियल तक लर्न करो, तो आपका जो कैलकुलेशन है काफी फास्ट हो जाएगा. आणि ते लर्न पण होऊन जातं. ऍज एंड व्हेन वी आर सॉल्विंग द सम, वो ऑटोमॅटिकली लर्न हो जाता है. Now the next important thing that we should know is fundamental principles. Fundamental principle first is principle of multiplication, and second is the principle of addition. If A is an event which I can do in m ways, if A is an event which I can do in m ways, and B is an event which I can do in n ways, then if I have to do A and B both in same order, then I can do it in m into n ways. But if I have to do A or B, then I can do it in m plus n ways. अगर मेरे पास 3 वॉच है, वॉच 1, वॉच 2, वॉच 3, और 2 ब्रेसलेट है V1, V2, and if I say that I have to, so I have 3 watches, W1, W2, W3, and I have 2 bracelet, B1 and B2, and if I have to wear a watch and a bracelet, then how will I wear it? I'll wear first watch with first bracelet, or second watch with first bracelet, or I'll wear first watch with second bracelet, and second watch with second bracelet. I can wear third watch with first bracelet. I can wear third watch with second bracelet. So actually I'm making 6 combination, 1 2 3 4 5 6. अब हर बार तो ये नहीं कर सकते, तो हम लोग क्या बोलेंगे 3 into 2 that is 6. लेकिन अगर मुझे सिर्फ वॉच पहनना है तो मैं 3 वेज में वॉच पहन सकती हूँ, या फिर मुझे सिर्फ ब्रेसलेट ही पहनना है तो 2 वेज में मैं ब्रेसलेट पहन सकती हूँ. तो मैं 5 वेज में एक तो वॉच पहनूं या फिर ब्रेसलेट पहनूं. तो whenever it is and you will multiply, whenever it is or you will add. This is the fundamental principle of multiplication and addition. Then comes the definition of permutation. तो हम लोग अभी permutation के बारे में बात करें. Definition of permutation. What is permutation? When R objects are selected from n given objects and arranged in given order, then we will say that it is permutation. Then it is permutation of n objects taken R at a time. Here n can be distinct objects or some of them can be, some can be alike. We can select R with repetition, or we may select R without repetition. We can arrange R. R can be arranged in straight line or circle. We have to take all the cases. हम लोगों को distinct object का भी arrangement करना है, हम लोगों को alike का भी arrangement सीखना है, हमको repetition भी देखना है, हमें without repetition भी देखना है, हमें straight line arrangement भी देखना है, हमें non straight line arrangement या circular arrangement भी देखना है. So we have to see all these things. Now this is the broad definition of permutation. Now let us start with the first definition. First type of permutation. First type of permutation is permutation of n distinct objects taken all at a time. All at a time means permutation of n objects taken n at a time. It is given by n factorial. It is given by n factorial. So if I ask that in how many ways 4 objects can be arranged in a straight line So in how many ways 4 object can be arranged in a straight line? 4 factorial. जब तक बोला नहीं है तब तक circular arrangement है ही नहीं. Okay, so this is your first type of permutation. Permutation of n objects taken all at a time. The next one is permutation of n distinct objects taken r at a time, such that r is less than n. वैसे भी n objects में से r को select करना है, तो r has to be always less than n. Here r is equal to n. Here r is equal to n. But here r is less than n. And this permutation is given as npr, which is n factorial n minus r factorial. तो अगर किसी ने बोला कि 7 ऑब्जेक्ट्स में से out of 7 objects arrange 4 objects in a line, तो हम लोग करेंगे 7p4, that will be 7 factorial 7 minus 4 factorial, that is 7 factorial upon 3 factorial. It will be 5040 divided by 6, and then you can find out your answer. There is one more method of doing this. It is 5040 divided by 6. So it is
840.
840. और एक तरीका है इसको करने का, 7p4 है तो 7 को लेके उसके पहले के 4 नंबर ले लो, तो 7 into 6 into 5 into 4, तो ये हो जाएगा 7 को पकड़ के उसके पहले के 4 नंबर, 42 into 20, आंसर इज 840. ये थोड़ा ज्यादा आसान हो जाता है. इट्स जस्ट अ शॉर्टकट, इट्स नॉट अ फॉर्मूला. ये फॉर्मूला है, ये शॉर्टकट है.